starting an online business is actually very, very hard. That's the toughest step in the whole process. But it really doesn't have to be that hard if you just surround yourself with the right people, with the right mentor, with the right energy. And you don't really have to work hard anymore because all the information you need is all around you. I want you guys to check out the link in the... I'm going to have a link in the comment below. Do 5-day training. It's free, guys. 5 days. You don't have to pay a single penny. You're going to be trained by billionaires and millionaires. Billionaires with a B. And the whole thing takes 5 days. And you're guaranteed to start seeing results before the 5 days are up. Check out the link in the description. If you have any questions, please let me know. Double tap, show me some love. I'll talk to you soon. Good luck to you.